call me a sinner, I call myself a saint. Living the hallelujah, today we close to pray. I'm feeling all happy, don't care about the fame. So now we living like it was our last day.
Good day. Today we are at the British Biscuits Factory located in Islamabad, Pakistan. Now we will go into the premises of the shop where the crackers are produced. You can see the installation, which was brought from Great Britain over 30 years ago. Here, in the center of Islamabad, European quality crackers and biscuits are produced. I'll show you how it looks. Now this equipment has not been working for about 5 months, since the factory was temporarily closed by a government decision due to quarantine associated with the COVID-19 pandemic. At this point, all restrictions have already been lifted, and the fakbira must be launched. All workers are on site and are waiting for the start of work. They are paid wages as they are trained specialists on this equipment.
I call myself a saint. Living the hallelujah, today we close to pray. Feeling all happy, don't care about the fame.
Now this factory is being sold together with equipment, land, buildings and all worked out business processes. There are 2 administrative buildings on the territory. One for the employees of the factory, another for the managers and management. The cost of the complex is $7 million. This is a great deal since the equipment itself costs $3 million. There is also a plot of land nearby with no buildings. It is sold separately for $5 million.
You call me a sinner, I call myself a saint. Living the hallelujah, today we close to pray. I'm feeling all happy, don't care about the fame. So now we living like it was our last day. Don't mind the gravity, all the things around. We just focus on what's now. Cause tonight we living like it was our last day.
To launch the project, you need $500,000 to purchase raw materials and start work. We help to legally accompany the business purchase procedure, and also guarantee to launch all processes. This is a very lucrative offer. You can organize the export of manufactured products to other countries, and our company can also help you with this. Please contact.
You call me a sinner, I call myself a saint. hallelujah. Today we close to pray. Feeling all happy, don't care about the fame.
Yeah, Baker Perkins, UK. Is the answer.
You call me a sinner, I call myself a saint. Living the hallelujah.